sworn I took that off of my thing, but apparently that's still on my thing. I'm upset.
Oh, you talking about the be right back? You getting pegged shit?
No. I want that still be there. No, it's called the chatting on my. Oh, we got shot down.
You don't really hear like.
Oh my God, this is the Kobe Bryant experience. I'm kidding. Oh my God, POV. All right. I'm going to hell.
You were going there anyway.
I know. POV, you're a black guy.
That's so tough.
POV. Hey.
Oh.
Just in time. Oh. That's our boy. That's our.
Just in time.
You. That's your name.
No, it's not. I'm still in the tree.
Your name is Just in Time. Who the fuck is this? Wait.
Somebody random just joined in.
Wait. Oh, I don't know. Oh.
Why is there an Asian guy with a magnum in my?
Bro, he has a. Oh, he killed me.
Oh, hold on. The other dude just killed you?
He killed me.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey, here, motherfucker.
Hold on.
Dad, you little...
Who is this?
I don't know.
What are you doing, bro?
Yo, how did you speak? Yo, how did you speak? Yo,
Who is this?
I need to find what is voice chat? What is
Who
voice
is
chat?
this guy, bro?
I don't know.
He literally just jumped out of nowhere, bro. And he's still shooting me.
Yo, I can't breathe.
Hold on.
I can't talk.
Yo, he's on God.
How do
He's
you
racist
talk?
by nature.
How do you talk? Did he crucify us?
Bro, I don't understand what just happened, bro.
Hey, stay tied up, motherfucker.
Yo, this is the funniest thing ever. Yo, thank you. This was so fucking great.
Oh, God.
He pressed
Hey,
T.
Justin, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, Justin?
Oh, can you hear us, bro?
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Yo.
Why are you like this?
Why are you like this?
What is
Yo, this was great. Yo, this is the great experience ever.
Hell no.
Do a game.
Hell no, you gotta throw these hands, bro. Nah, you
Gets
gotta throw these hands,
caught,
bro. Fuck that shit,
gets shot, and then crucified. Dude, I have no. He left. He said we're too new to fuck with. To me, I think.
I know. I'm getting my payback.
Oh my God!
All the
You
times
know
you
what?
killed me.
Oh my God!
Brian, hold on. Am I black or am I white?
You ugly. That's what you are. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Why am I
Yeah.
white, bro? I'm white. Why?
Oh my God. Oh,
Hey,
dude,
bro,
I don't
hold
know
on.
what
Why
just
yo, bro,
happened.
have you seen yourself, bro? You gotta look at your head, bro.
Oh
Look at your
no,
head, bro.
I ain't got no hairline.
You got the George Jefferson.
No, how do I?
Hey, bro, you got
Oh
the George
no!
Jefferson, bro.
How do I? Wait, let me go to your screen. Yo, Key, I look like you with your big ass forehead. Yo,
Chill, bro. Chill.
yo, that's so tough.
Hey, bro, I'm just so upset that this just
We
happened.
spawned in, we got killed, we
Justin
got
just
crucified, and now we're in the middle of the floor. I don't know what to do.
I don't know either, but I'm just picking the shit up at this point, bro.
You got a rope?
Oh,
I
God.
bet.
Come here, boy.
He said, "Come here, boy. We finna take you back to the old days." Oh, that's how you do. Oh, you hold it. Good to know. Good to know. You know, back in my day, we didn't use an axe to break down trees. We used our cocks.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Oh, reliable.
Yo, you're tripping, bro.
What the fuck? What are you? Oh my God! I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
That's so tough.
I'm about to die. 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 I'm about to be a bitch. I'm running back to you. I'm being chased by naked men. I'm being chased by naked men on all fours. Listen, I like being chased by men,
bro,
but this is not the way.
yo,
Yo! They're so loud. Oh God! Oh God! Yo! Chill. Whoa! Oh! I don't know what you are. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm
Is it a
scared.
giant worm thing?
No. It was like a.
Okay, if it's not the giant worm thing,
It looked like a black person to be. To be honest with you,
bro, this thing is scared of black people. Alright.
I swear, dude. I swear.